Hey there, welcome back to another video of GoinTech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about why do you need to become a data modeler. So the skills required for data modeling are quite different than the skills required for programming and systems administration. While programmers and administrators are required to have a sufficient expertise on the technical front, it's like front data modelers are required to be more adapted for the logical side of the things. The skills required for data modeling include the following: conceptual design, abstract thinking, user communication, internal communication. So based on these requirements, a person who does not have the required software and system knowledge but has the proven ability to think conceptually and abstractly, they will be considered perfect as a data modeler. Communication skills are essential for all data modelers. Organizations look for stronger communication skills in data modelers because modelers are required to translate and balance all their requirements, all user requirements. Moreover, they are also required to document the final results in perspective that is easy to understand for all users. Education, many recruiters looking for data modelers are want candidates with a bachelor's degree, for preferably in information sciences, applied mathematics, or computer studies. These degrees are deemed perfect for data modeler, and the candidate is considered so suitable in most cases. However, some employers may also want to look out the data modelers with multiple courses in information systems management. For our business management, data modelers should also be skilled in database administration, should know how to look over a database and to think of plausible outcomes for different data complications. You must exhibit the following nine skills before pursuing a career in data modeling. The first one is digital logic. Digital logic, also known as Boolean logic, it is one of the basics for all modern computer systems and programming languages. It is a system that simplifies complicated problems into yes, no, true, false, or one zero values that are placed into equations to produce input and output operations. As the fundamental concept behind coding, it is important to possess the skill in order to clean and organize an unstructured set of data. The second one is computer architecture and organization. The skill builds on the first listed skill of digital logic architecture and organizational. All are interrelated and form grasp is needed for of all of these in order to optimize the performance. Computer architecture is the logical set of rules and that allows a programmer to interface between the hardware and software and how it internally functions and is implemented. The organizations of the computer is an expression of its architecture and how the system itself is structured. A solid understanding of a computer architecture is an expression of its architecture and how the system itself is structured. A solid understanding of computer architecture and organization will enable you to maximize efficiency. Yeah, when working with data, third one is data representation. Data representation involves breaking down complicated information into simpler bits, such as being coded into numbers. This allows for easier gathering, manipulation, and analysis of data, which can save valuable time and money. The fourth one is memory architecture. After you understand best present and code the data, it is important to be able to store it for future retrieval. Memory architecture concerns how memory just come to be stored in computer cells, as well as the storage of more complicated data in spreadsheet and database programs. The most important part of memory architecture is being able to find the method that best combines speed, durability, reliability, and cost effectiveness while not compromising the integrity of the data. So fifth one is familiarity with numerous modeling tools that are currently in place with the organization. The list of tools that exist to aid in data modeling is extensive. However, some of the top tools include the Power Designer, Enterprise Architect, and Erwin. Organizations utilize these tools in order to structure and define the data for optimal results. Already being familiar with these skills can also save valuable training time on the job and valuable and enable you to more efficiently be able to analyze your data sets. So sixth one is adapted to new modeling methods. Data modeling will continue to evolve. The differences in infrastructure, data sources, and models will likely become more complicated in the coming years. The ability to quickly learn and adapt modeling methods from the use case from case studies or other proven approaches is a crucial skill for a data modeler to stay up to date. Seventh one is SQL language and its implementation. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and holds primary importance when becoming a data modeler. At it is a standard programming language for managing, and accessing data stored in a relational database. It is in development. And portability helped to make it a nearly universal language for querying databases. In short, without a foundation in SQL, it is not possible to be a data modeler. Eighth one is sufficient experience using database systems, relational database management systems, RDBMS, that possess big data handling capabilities such as the ability to quickly store and fetch data. Experience with these is absolutely necessary for managing a complex data environments. And ninth one is exemplary communication skills that will help you in making your way around organizations with an integrated hierarchy. Data modeling isn't just about possessing a technical skills. You also need to be able to communicate your knowledge of complicated technical data in such a way that those in and non-technical data roles will also be able to understand. Data modelers need to be able to communicate with all levels of business in order to best help implement well-informed changes and promote growth. This can be quite challenging, but it's important to be able to relate and inform everyone while understanding the nuances of a business politics. So how do you advance a data modeler as soon as a novice modeler starts their training period? So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching it out.